Okay, this is a Delano something. Like you can climb up there like we will be climbing up there, but we won't. And then the stairs come out. Ooh. Wow. Oh my God, this is a big one. Big one. Look at the table. Oh my God, guys, look at up there. Wow. Could be up there somebody or some storage. That's the front. And they have this big little table. Wow. There's the bed. My pull-out downstairs. I'll sit. This is the stove. 2 eyes. Microwave. Cabinet space. Drawer. 2 drawers. This how it look from there. Here how it look. Space up there. I really like this. Space. Let's see. Ooh, it's pretty deep. Pretty deep. Then we have a drawer in here. Pretty deep. And look at that bed. Wow, big bed. Look like probably a queen. No TV in here nowhere. I guess you can put a TV up there. Window. Here go the freezer. Then here go the refrigerator. I know that's a drawer. Okay, guys, this is the big ticket right here, the bathroom. Okay, let's see. Wow, glad the toilet is not with the tub, so that's a plus. Look at the shower. Nice. Shower. Nice. Toilet. Then the sink. Then it has a mirror. Hi, guys. Okay, then I have a towel rack. Okay, toilet paper rack. This is how it looks from the bathroom. I don't know, I get claustrophobia in here. I ain't gonna close it. Yeah, it's big enough. Yeah, I like this one too. A lot of space. Hi. Then this is how I look up at the front. Oh, I got some tent right there. That's how I look at the front. Then this is the front of it. The driver's side. Nice. Windows. It's nice. And it has that. That's nice. Then it, what's that noise? It has some space over there behind the bed. Refrigerator. Come over here, that part. And that. Then I like that up there. And the table. Nice. They have all this space here. Nice. Okay. Next.